How to troubleshoot and fix ceiling leaks. Discoloration, sagging drywall or buckling plaster, and dripping water from your ceiling might make you think that the ceiling itself is leaking. In reality, water coming from the ceiling is a symptom of some other home system that is actually leaking. When a ceiling shows signs of water damage and dripping water, the place to look is in one of two home systems, the roofing system or the plumbing system. Water dripping from your ceiling or visible signs of water damage on the drywall or plaster above your head is nothing to take lightly. There is very likely much more water at play than you can visibly see, and ignoring a leak can lead to structural damage and mold and mildew growth. Ceiling leaks may be evidenced by actual water dripping down, but before the problem gets to that point, you may see blistered or peeling paint, or discoloration over a spot in the ceiling. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.